Okay, in this video, I'm going to give you the fundamental framework to be able to have success in your digital marketing campaigns for your insurance company. Now, in this video, what I'm not going to do is provide you the technicals on how to actually have a reliable acquisition system that can routinely convert people who have never heard of your brand before into paying policyholders. So I'm not going to be providing you budget allocations, campaign names, campaign structure, audiences, lookalikes, keywords, exclusions, headlines, copywriting. I'm not going to go into that. But what I am going to do is provide you a framework, a 3-pillar framework that we use for our clients, that we implement into all of our marketing, which will guarantee success, guarantee that this will work for you. And these frameworks have been tested, tried out, and to be honest, why can I provide you this information? I own a digital marketing agency where we help insurance companies get more policy sales, leads, and customers online through digital marketing platforms. At this point, generated over 7 figures in premium and in excess of 25,000 insurance leads. And to be honest, at this point, it is much more than that. So the 3-pillar framework that we use is basically designed to be able to, 1, target your ideal customer without question. 2, convert them from a stranger into a policyholder. And 3, not spend any money on getting in front of the wrong person. So first off, how do we do that? One of the first steps on doing that, which is really pillar 1, which is like framework 1 out of a 3-part system, is being able to identify your customer, being able to know who your customer is. Now, that is a very basic thing in marketing, and everybody knows that, but how do you actually do that? Like, what does that mean? Well, in my opinion, and the system that we use is basically having a full 360-degree image of who they are and what they do. So, where do they shop? What things do they buy? Where do they go at the weekends? What cars do they drive? What shops do they get their groceries from? What clothes do they wear? What interests do they have? What hobbies do they have? What age groups are they? Do they have any pets, dogs? Identifying exactly who this person is the first part of the framework, because as soon as you know who they are, you can then identify their pain points. So what pain points are they actually suffering with, and what solution can you package to provide them? So that's the first thing that we do, and that's the first framework that has to be, to the T. You need to identify exactly who it is that you're targeting. The second part, which in my opinion is why 99% of most insurance ads fail, and this is having an irresistible offer. And an irresistible offer, all that basically is something that's packaged up, which explains what you do. An irresistible offer is basically explaining what you do in your package that you offer in a very short snippet of detail. And what this is able to do is resonate with your customer's pain point. So once we've identified what their pain points are, we create offers around their pain points and provide them a solution that makes sense and basically is so irresistible that it makes, logical sense to buy instead of not to buy. Like, it's actually illogical not to purchase from you because of the solution that you're able to provide. What this also does is positions you as an authority figure, and it positions you as the master, the go-to person in your niche. Now, having an irresistible offer doesn't mean a discount code, a 20% discount code, a 15% gift card for Amazon, or a £15 gift card. It doesn't mean that. What an irresistible offer is something that resonates directly with a pain point and provides a solution that is, without any doubt, the right one for that customer. So, to be honest, that is really where I see most insurance companies fail, is because they don't have any form of offer. Their ads just look like all of the other insurance ads, and they're heavily leveraged on features and benefits instead of like solutions. And the last step is really being able to target correctly. And what I mean by that is, and how I pronounce it, is omnipresent. And the omnipresence definition is basically being godlike, being everywhere all of the time. So how we're able to do that is because we now know who that person is, we now have an offer and a solution that we can provide them. we now need to be able to target them. And what I see most insurance companies doing is not being able to target the right person. So they're spending a lot of money and ad budget on people who aren't interested, who aren't even qualified to be able to purchase from there. So that means they get bad lead quality. They end up speaking to people who aren't interested, or they spend a load of money and don't get any result. They probably get clicks and a lot of website visits, but they don't get any leads out of that. But that's because they're unable to target their customer correctly. They're unable to look like they're everywhere all of the time, just to a very small select certain people, the right type of people. Instead of looking like you're everywhere all of the time to everybody, you want to look like you're everywhere all of the time to a small selection of people. So those 3 frameworks is what we add to our clients' marketing, to our system that we implement for them, which is being able to get them great success. And I suggest that you use the same framework in your marketing. Again, this really is for somebody who is looking to start marketing for their insurance company, insurance companies that are already marketing but are yet to get really good success and be profitable, or companies that are on the verge of being profitable, who are profitable but want to really take that to the next level. So this framework works pretty much throughout, from 0 to 100k, 150k per month. If you found any value, then let me know. If you're interested in knowing what we do, how we can help grow your insurance company, that'll be the first link in this description. I'll also leave my LinkedIn profile. I'm quite active on there, so drop me a connection. If you've got any questions, you want to work with us, then that'll be the first link in the description as well. Again, I hope you found some value. Thanks for watching, and cool.